Do you want to know the subtle body language gestures that most men make when they are in love with you? Some of these signs are pretty easy to identify as well. I know some men like to hide their feelings, and it's really frustrating when you also have a feeling for that man and he keeps on hiding his feelings of love and care for you. Isn't it? However, there are some signs which prove that a guy loves you. There are also guys who would never show any affection and care for you as they are treating you as a woman who was just a bit of fun and nothing serious. Luckily, you can fix this problem by leveraging and understanding a concept called the hero's instinct. That might sound like a corny name, but it describes a powerful aspect of male psychology that most women don't know about. This psychology can drastically improve your status in your boyfriend's life and your relationship. For women, it's the whole difference between treated like a short term fling and being adored like a princess. If you want to know more about the hero's instinct and how you can make your guy get completely obsessed in love with you, download the free ebook from the link in the description box below. It's available for free only for a limited period of time. Body language gestures are amazing indicators of the subconscious feelings of a man, and if you can learn to identify those, you can get to know what a man is feeling about you without him having to speak anything. So, here are the 8 body language signals you should look out for if you want to know if he is falling for you or not. Sign number 1, he looks for chances to touch you. This is a pretty obvious sign which most girls identify themselves. But still, I thought I should include it in this list. If a man is falling in love with you, he will use every excuse to touch you and feel your skin on his. This can be anything from placing his hands on your shoulders or placing his arms on your back while walking. Hand holding is another gesture that can be counted under this point. His body will be going crazy for you every time he even touches you slightly, and his heart will be fluttering. These subtle touches might not be very noticeable, but if you know what to look for, you will be able to notice that they are more than just friendly. If you know him personally and he doesn't like to be very touchy, and if he's still trying to get closer to you, that's a very prominent sign. Sign number 2, he makes a serious eye contact with you. Eye contact is such a big factor when you are trying to determine if a man is falling for you or not. If a man is just comfortable with being friends with you, you will observe that he will be looking here and there as well while talking to you. But if a man is really interested in your personality and what you are speaking, he will not take his eyes off your eyes and look straight into you. You will definitely feel something different in his eye contact. Intense eye contact might also make you feel a strong connection with him, or you might start to feel turned on by him being so forward. This is the intention of his eye contact, and it is clearly working. Another thing to look out for is if he looks at you or even stares at you when you are not looking at him. A good way to check this is to turn away from him and walk away. Then look back and see if he is looking at you. If he is, it's because he is crazy about you and your body. Sign number 3, he licks his lips or his lips might be parted. This body language sign indicates sexual attraction more than anything else, but a little bit of sexual attraction is normal when you are falling in love. Men don't notice this, but when they are around someone whom they like or love, they start licking their lips or their lips might be parted. Though this is a body language signal which can be seen only after you two have known each other for a while and are comfortable in each other's company. Sign number 4, he gives you a lot less personal space. This is a really crucial indicator that a man is falling in love with you. If he is into you, he will stand or sit as close to you as possible. They are quite literally showing you that they want to get closer to you. Someone's personal space is really intimate, and so if he is trying to sneak in close to you, he is showing you that he is open to being intimate with you. Naturally, you are going to want to get closer to someone with whom you are attracted or feel comfortable. This is also a sign of vulnerability shown by men. You will notice this body language trait when that man is trying to be really close when having a conversation with you. It might also be that he may not come too close, but he may still be closer as compared to other people around you. Sign number 5, he might copy your body language signals. This is a strange sign that when a man is having any feelings for you, he will copy and mirror your body language gestures. For example, if the man falling for you is sitting opposite you, he might mirror the way you sat or do the same actions that you do. These actions can be like sitting with his hands on his thighs just like you do, or having a drink at the same time as you do. He probably won't even realize that he is doing it. His subconsciously will be nervously making him copy exactly what you are doing. If you are not sure of this, you can sit with your hands folded, and if he sits with his hands folded as well, that's a clear body language signal. Sign number 6, he smiles and laughs more around you. Yes, this is a very strong body language signal, and this can be identified easily as well. When a man is in love with you, his face shows that he is happy when you are around. I am not talking about the greeting smile that people pass to each other when they meet. I am talking about the instance when he is smiling at you for little to no reason, even when you both are together and talking for some minutes. If his face keeps lighting up throughout the conversation, he is most likely so happy to be in your presence that he can't control it. Also, if he laughs at your jokes more than the other people do, that's a bonus signal that he definitely has something for you in his heart. Sign number 7, he is always facing you. When a man is falling in love with you, he will want to give you his full, undivided attention. Therefore, he will make sure that he is facing you, with his whole body pointing towards you whenever you speak to each other. Literally, every part of his body will be facing you. Along with this trait, he may tilt his head sideways to listen to you while you speak. This shows that subconsciously he is showing you his vulnerable side to you. Sign number 8, he gets nervous around you. This is a natural feeling in men to get nervous when they are around someone they love and she doesn't know it. He is acting nervous around you because he has added pressure that he doesn't want to mess things up with you. He thinks multiple times before speaking it in front of you. Therefore, his mind works during the conversation and creates some doubts in him. For example, his palms or forehead might be sweaty or his hands might have a slight shake. If you are out for dinner or drinks, you might notice that he is playing with the straw in his drink or is constantly tapping his foot. Fumbling is also a signal that he is nervous around you. Did you personally experience these 8 body language signals in guys who you have talked to? Share your personal experiences in the comment section below and let me know if some other points should have been added to this list as well. Like and share this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Do you want the man of your dreams to fall in love with you and get completely obsessed with you? Do you want to become the high value woman that men chase and crave for? Check out my free ebook which discloses some of the secret hacks and techniques in order to help you fall in love with the man of your dreams. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below. Meet you in the next video. See ya!